Today's lesson is on combining like terms and the distributive property. First, we'll look at combining like terms. On number 1, we have 4x plus 7x. These are like terms because they both have the same variable x. So we are going to add the coefficients, which is the number in front, first. So we're going to have 4 plus 7, and the answer we get to that would be multiplied by x. So 4 plus 7 is 11, and we multiply that by x, so we get 11x. Remember, if there's no sign in between our number and our variable, it means multiplication. For number 2, we have 2t minus 17t. These are like terms because they have the same variable, t. So we can go ahead and subtract our coefficients. So we'll subtract 2 minus 17, and that answer would then be multiplied by t. 2 minus 17 would be 2 plus negative 17, and that answer then would be times t. 2 plus negative 17 is negative 15. When we add our integers, if we have a positive and a negative, we're going to subtract. So we'll subtract 17 minus 2, and that's 15. And the number that has the larger absolute value will tell us our sign. Absolute value of 2 is 2. Absolute value of negative 17 is 17. Since that is larger than 2, and 17 is negative in the problem, our answer is negative. So we have negative 15, and then that would be multiplied by t, so negative 15t. For number 3, we have a plus 3a. These are like terms because they have the same variable, a. There is no number in front of the first a. Since there's no number, it would be a 1. 1a and a are the same thing. We do not have to write the 1 if there's only one a, or one of our variable. So now we'll add our coefficients. 1 plus 3. And that answer would be multiplied by a. 1 plus 3 is 4, so we have 4a. And for number 4, we have negative x minus 7x. We have same variable, so we can subtract these. Negative x is the same thing as negative 1x. So we're going to subtract negative 1 minus 7. And that answer would then be multiplied by x. Negative 1 minus 7 would be negative 1 plus negative 7. And that answer would then be multiplied by x. So negative 1 plus negative 7 would be negative 8. When we're adding our integers, if we have the same sign, we go ahead and add them. And the sign that's in the problem would be the same sign for the answer. So we add 1 plus 7 and get 8. And our answer, since both numbers are negative in the problem, our answer is also negative. So negative 8 and then times x, so negative 8x. Now we're going to use the distributive property to help us simplify our expressions. So for number 5, we have 2 times the quantity x minus 5 plus 7x. The distributive property means that we'll take this 2 on the outside and we're going to multiply it by both of our numbers on the inside. So we're going to take the 2 times our variable x and then the 2 times 5. So 2 times x would be 2x, and then I have minus 2 times 5, which is 10. And then I'm adding 7x. Now we can combine our like terms. So we're going to go ahead and rearrange the second part of this problem. So I have 2x, and then I can switch the order of these two. So I have 2x plus 7x minus 10. Notice that the sign that was in front moved with our number. So we had a plus in front of 7x. So when I moved it, that plus stayed in front. I had a minus in front of the 10. When I moved that, the minus stayed in front of the 10. Now I can combine 2x plus 7x. So I add my coefficients, 2 plus 7, and then times x, and then I have minus 10. 2 plus 7 is 9, so I have 9x minus 10. Now for number 6, I have 4 times the quantity 2b plus 1 minus 3b. So I'll use my distributive property to multiply. So 4 times 2b would be 8b. And then I have plus 4 times 1, which is 4. Then I also have minus 3b. Again, I can rearrange, so I'm going to change the order of my expressions here, my numbers. So I have 8b. The sign in front of 3b is going to move with it, so minus 3b. And the sign in front of the 4 will move as well, so plus 4. Now I can combine 8b minus 3b because those are like terms. So I'm going to have 8 minus 3, and then we have that times b plus 4. 8 minus 3 is 5, so I have 5b and then plus 4. We're going to continue using the distributive property to simplify a couple more expressions. So for number 7, I have 8c minus 3 times the quantity c minus 5. On this problem, we have a minus sign in front of our 3, which we can also think that as being a negative in front of the 3. So when we distribute this, we're going to distribute minus 3 or negative 3. So we have 8c, and then if I have negative 3 times c, that's minus 3c. And then I have a negative 3 here, and then I have a 5 here. So I can say this is minus, I'll bring down my same sign, and a negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. Now I'm going to simplify so I don't have two signs here. So I have 8c minus 3c, and minus a negative is plus 15. Now I can combine 8c minus 3c because those are like terms. So I'm going to have 8 minus 3, and then that quantity would be times c plus 15. 8 minus 3 is 5, so I have 5c plus 15. And now for number 8, I have 11 minus 2 times the quantity 3b plus 1. So I have 11, and then I have this minus 2, or negative 2 would be distributed. So a negative 2 times 3b would be minus 6b. And then I have plus negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. I'm going to simplify so I don't have two signs here. So 11 minus 6b plus a negative is minus 2. Now I can rearrange my problem so that I have my like terms together. So what I can do this time is I can rearrange the first two, and I'll bring the 6b to the front, but notice that it has the negative in front of it, or the minus, so that's going to have to go with it. So negative 6b, and when I move this 11 over, there's no sign in front of it, so that would actually be plus, so plus 11 minus 2. So now I have negative 6b, and then 11 minus 2 is 9, so plus 9.